What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life with Latrice. So today I am super excited about this video because this is my first time doing a hair review, and so I'm also going to be installing this as well. So it's my first time for all of this. It's for the first time for reviewing hair, for installing the hair, or for installing like a wig and stuff like that. So I am very, very excited because I hope and I feel it's gonna come out really cute. I'm going to be reviewing NADULA hair. This is not a promoted video. I just happened to, I wanted a wig and I wanted to try a wig just for a protective style and put my hair up. And so I heard a lot about NADULA before, and I was like, I would like to try their hair company and see how it is. So first and foremost, the shipping was actually really quick. I ordered it, I think the end of last week I ordered it, I want to say, and it got here yesterday. I was so excited the whole time when I got it, and so I love this box that it comes in. I love the colors and everything. It's very super cute, super sophisticated. And then when you open it, they gave me a full wig cap, which is nice. I never put a wig, actually, that's a lie. When I got my weave, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out, because I had got a weave installed and I didn't really love it. It grew on me a little bit after a couple of days went by, but I think it could have been a little bit better. But I will say, I actually had a wig, she put a wig cap on me then. So they gave me a wig cap. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use a wig cap or not when I install the wig. That's still pending. And they gave me this, like, I want to say scarf. It's called a hair hoop, I guess, but it's like a scarf for your edges, which I think is super cute. It's like purple and pink, like an ombre color, like this. So, you know, when I put the wig on, I can like lay my edges down like that. So that was super cute because I wasn't expecting this. I thought that originally they were gonna give me some eyelashes, which I didn't really want because I have my own eyelashes. But yeah, so that was cute. And then the wig. So I got a bob in a 12-inch bob. So on the website, let me put this up. On the website, they had 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, I think 11-inch or something like that. The shortest, I mean the longest was 14 and the shortest was 10-inch. I didn't want 10-inch because I'm not really used to short hair like that. So I thought 12-inch would be good. And it is a bob, like I said. Here it is. So as you can see, this is where the U part is, right in the middle. On the website when I was ordering this hair is soft. Like, this is super soft, y'all. Like, that movement, girl. I think it's actually a pretty good length, and you can see where it's a bob, like in the front longer and the back. So cute. This is my first bob, so I'm a little nervous, honestly, but I'm also excited because I always wanted to try a bob. I love bobs, never had one myself, but I love how it looks on other people. So I actually wanted to try. That's why I thought it was a fun idea to get this wig so that I can try a bob without actually having to cut my hair in a bob. So I'm really impressed with how soft this hair is. I didn't think it was gonna be this soft, honestly. It's actually really nice. But yes, guys, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part, because when I saw some of the other pictures of girls with the bob on, I saw some with the side part and some with the middle part. So I am kind of unsure as to what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna I don't know, because if I do a side part like this, I feel like it's gonna be longer on one side. Maybe not. I don't know. Like I said, it's my first time with the bobs. I'm not really sure how this works, but you guys will see me in my next video. I'm going to actually install it for you guys. So you'll see me install it and see how it comes out and everything like that. I'm just kind of showing you guys the wig right now. So inside of the wig, you have 3 clips. Oh, 5 clips. You got 5 clips up in this wig. Okay, so you have 2 up in the front, right where the U part is, which is pretty good, and then you have 2 on the sides, and you have 1. Oh girl, you have 6. You have 6 clips. You have 1 right here in the middle. I didn't even see that one. So all right, you have 2 up here. You have 1 right here in the middle. You have 1 on this side and 1 on this side, and then you have 1 in the back. So that is really good support. very good support, because I didn't think it had that many clips, but which is nice because I plan on keeping this wig on. I don't plan on taking it on and off. I plan on braiding my hair up and then keeping it on. I may take it off when I go to sleep, but other than that, I plan on wearing it hopefully for like a month. If I like it, it comes out good. But I'm very anxious and excited to see like how it's going to look, guys, because it's so soft, and like I said, it's my first time ever like having a wig, so I'm very excited. I need like a wig stand, like a head though, so that I could put it on there and brush it out before putting it on my head. And one thing that I actually do like, let me put this down because I keep patting it. One thing that I liked as well is how on the back of the box it shows you the instructions for the wig, because like I said, for someone like me who's never worn one before, I'm new to this. I'm new to like wearing it, installing it, taking care of it, and everything like that. So I like how they give you the instructions on the hair and how to keep it fresh. They give you washing instructions, conditioning instructions, drying instructions, which is nice to help your wig last longer. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, there are other people obviously who are pro at wigs and only need them instructions, stuff like that, but I'm actually not. I'm a beginner, but I do believe I can make this look nice because I do know hair and I'm pretty good at hair. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited about this. If you guys have ever ordered NADULA hair, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of their hair. Because like I said, I never got it before. I do want to buy another wig that I saw. There is a straight wig that I like, and also a curly one, but I'm thinking about doing the straight long one to wear. I just feel like it's kind of fun wearing these because I don't feel like doing my hair all the time. Obviously, I think most naturals don't, so it's not nothing new. But I feel like I do like to do protective styles, and I wear braids quite a bit. But sometimes I don't want the braids in, so I was like, let me try a wig. Let me try something else, something different. I think it's nice that I can like play around with it and stuff like that. So I want to get a long one or a curly long one as well. But I thought this length would be good for me. Hopefully I can like control it and deal with it and stuff like that, versus getting like a long one and it just be all over the place and I just have no control. I do want to get a mannequin head and stuff like that because I do want to start doing this more. I want to start ordering wigs more. I want to eventually make wigs. I actually did make a wig before. Didn't really wear it because I wasn't really into wearing wigs, but I did make a wig and it actually came out really nice. I gave it to my mom and she liked it and she got a lot of compliments. So I want to start doing that again, making wigs and just wearing them and stuff like that, just for fun, because I don't know, I like hair, I like doing stuff like this, so why not get creative with it? But yeah, guys, so I'm so excited for the install. If you guys have ever ordered this in particular wig, it's 12 inch. If you guys ever ordered that one and like it, or even if you don't like it, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how it came out, or you can even send me, like, if you have a channel, send me the link to your channel so that I can watch your review on it, because that would be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited for the install. Don't forget to watch my next video coming up after this, because I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to fully install this wig and like lay it down and everything. So don't forget that, and don't forget to check out my last video. I had mentioned my mango butter in my video before that as well. I did a DIY on my vanity, and I'm actually sitting on my vanity right now, and I love it. It's super cute, super nice. I'm so thankful that my husband did it for me, and I really appreciate it a lot. But yeah, guys, check my last couple videos out, because like I told you before, I am back on making videos. And if you guys ever have any ideas or want me to review something or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will get those videos out for you guys. But yeah, guys, so thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Guys, so I'm not sure what happened to the end of the video, but thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.